Anil Shah from Mumbai. As we all know that you were inspired by Salman Khan and did gymming together, can we see you both together in a movie? Tiger
Yeah,
versus
that'll
Kabir.
be that again will be
Title is Tiger
great.
versus Kabir that he's giving.
Tiger versus Kabir.
Yeah.
War Part 2. That's an idea.
Okay, there's a huge disclaimer before we start this video, and it's that we're not claiming to report anything in it. There's a ton of speculation doing the rounds nowadays, and I'm just putting two and two together while giving you my take on the possibility of it happening. Shared universe has always been a part of American films, with production houses bringing some of their most exciting pairs together for a titillating on-screen collaboration, and that has proven to be extremely bountiful in cases like the behemoth that is Marvel's Avengers. So it was already a no-brainer that Bollywood will adapt to such a lucrative proposition sooner rather than later. And while they have teased us with one-off ideas every now and then, nothing really came of them until Rohit Shetty kicked off his giant action comedy cop universe, bringing together three of the biggest stars working today in Ajay Devgan, Ranveer Singh, and Akshay Kumar, giving Reliance Entertainment and Dharma Productions a safe haven to invest in and make truckloads of money from. Given this level of fandom, it's not too far-fetched to assume that the other big production houses will soon follow suit. And if reports are to be believed, one of the biggest production houses in India, Yash Raj Films, has already sunk their teeth into an even bigger spy universe of their own. And the best part is that this spy universe has already started to take shape in front of our own eyes while we stayed unaware of the fact. And how can this franchise prove to be the biggest, you ask? Because it brings Hrithik Roshan together with Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan, the two modern-day icons of Bollywood. By now, we all know that Shah Rukh Khan is all set to make his much-anticipated big-screen return in YRF's Pathaan, co-starring alongside John Abraham and Deepika Padukone. The movie is set to be an all-out action flick, not very dissimilar to YRF's last big outing in War, starring Hrithik Roshan and Tiger Shroff. In fact, the movie is helmed by the same director, Siddharth Anand. The comparisons were so strong that it even led us to believe that it'll be an actual sequel to War, as we mentioned in our previous video counting down Shah Rukh Khan's upcoming movies. While the movie was later titled Pathaan rather than something like War 2, ending those speculations there, it's now a strong possibility that it'll be in the same universe as the Hrithik Roshan starrer, paving way for a crossover with ginormous proportions in the future, opening doors to Shah Rukh Khan's entry in the War franchise as early as in its second installment. But how does Salman Khan fit in all of this? To that, I say, he fits in just fine. As first reported by Movie Shooby, Salman Khan is all set to make a cameo appearance in SRK and John Abraham starrer Pathaan, but that's not the big news here, since both the stars like to appear in each other's movies every now and then. The big news here is that the Salman cameo will be a very special one, where the actor would reprise his role of Tiger from his own blockbuster franchise Ekta Tiger, which mind you is also under the banner of YRF. If reports are to be believed, his is a very crucial extended cameo in Pathaan, which would further play out in the already official Tiger Part 3, where in contrast, we'll next see Shah Rukh's character in Pathaan appear as well. And if all goes well, which sure looks like it, both the megastars will most likely be seen in the Hrithik Roshan starrer War 2 later on, reenacting their characters from their respective franchises, giving YRF perhaps its biggest money spinner to date, while bringing all that we've craved for all our collective lives to reality in some of the slickest action blockbusters the country has ever seen to this point. The likelihood of this happening is not very slim, to be honest. While at one point bringing Shah Rukh and Salman together after Karan Arjun did sound impossible due to their rocky personal relationship and the almost taboo-like treatment of bringing two heroes together in general, things have changed over the past decade. The two already made stars are happy sharing the screen every now and then, and it's a time when pitting one star against the other does go on to do wonders at the box office. Movies like Once Upon a Time in Mumbai, Padmavat, and even the previously mentioned War last year were all dual-headed and went on to earn good, with War going so far as raking in the biggest opening day collection ever seen in a Hindi film and becoming the biggest hit of 2019. The move is not only good from a business and fan service standpoint, but a blessing in disguise for Shah Rukh Khan himself, since his last few ventures have failed in exciting the masses as much as they used to do at one point. His acting prowess alone in largely experimental movies like Fan and Zero have failed to generate buzz among the fans or even get the critics on their side, and it's time the actor returns to a safe genre that he is not only in dire need of at the moment, but also something he has earned after testing with the bunch of movies that he did. I for once hope that Pathaan ends up becoming just as big as War and Tiger Zinda did, if not more, so that the decision to turn it into an extended universe feels earned, and that the fans can get their hands on a mega franchise to latch onto for good that has all the ingredients to become a turning point in Indian cinema, and I'm not using those words lightly. Thank you for watching the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please do let me know what your thoughts about this whole thing are in the comment section down below. Do you think such an action franchise would be a good deal for the fans? Or is it something that's just going to take attention away from the smaller films that have finally started to gain much needed attention from the masses? Please like, share and subscribe to Filmantor to enjoy more such videos on a weekly basis. With that out of the way, I hope you have a safe week ahead. My name is Amir and I will see you soon.